So today I am gonna go try to get some pictures of the car. And lately I have been wanting to get really active on Instagram again. I've really been slacking this past year, but I have been posting a lot more. So make sure to follow that. It's the same thing as my username on here in case you don't. But I'm gonna go and try to get the car out and hopefully get some cool pictures of it. It is actually like really filthy right now because I drove in the rain, and then obviously since it was in the rain, for some reason I got that new edge headlight condensation. I am also kind of battling the rain right now, so hopefully I'll be able to get out there and get some cool pictures, and hopefully this camera doesn't really pick up all the dirt on it. But with that being said, let's go and hop in the car. Alright, so we're now in the car, and honestly, the last few days it's actually been like really warm. I think yesterday it was like up to 70, which is actually really crazy for January. And right now it's currently like 60. I mean, I do have a sweatshirt on, but the windows are down. And I can't tell you how much I forgot, like how much I actually enjoy this car. Just because I don't drive with the windows down in the winter, obviously, and like listen to that. Like, you just can't really beat it. And it makes me so happy and so ready for the summer. Especially because I'll be able to get like little pops in between gears and you'll be able to pick this up. Like, it just sounds so good. Oh, riding the clutch a little bit. Forgot how to drive. Dude, I love this car so much, and like, I always sit there and say I'm gonna sell it, but that's what happens in the winter. You just don't drive it as much, and you kind of get bored with it, and you kind of feel bad for just like letting it sit there in the garage. It's starting to get really dark outside, so kind of feeling like I might be able to barely squeeze in some pictures before it starts raining. I'm only like a few minutes out. I just want to like an empty parking lot. Just gonna try to get some cool pictures of it, post it on the gram. All right, so just made it to the spot. Want to get out and I guess hopefully try to get some pictures. So if you guys do recognize this spot, this is like where I filmed the whole like downshift and everything in like the cinematic video that I had. If you haven't went and checked that out, go ahead and go check that one out. It's gonna be up here like in the top right corner. It's just a cool like 3-minute cinematic video from whenever I corrected and then coated this car, and then I went out and took it like downtown and everything. Got some cool footage of it. But my idea was just hopefully getting like some shots, and then also have the woods like back there for some background if I was really wanting that. But I guess I'm gonna go and get the camera out and take some photos, and I'll pick this back up whenever I'm done. All right, just got done taking some photos. Hopefully it'll be good enough. I guess that means I'm probably just gonna go ahead and head back to the house. I really don't have much plans for today, so I'm gonna maybe try to get out of this video, try to get up to you guys sometime soon. We'll go ahead and give you guys a walk around the car, just because I know you guys probably haven't seen it in a minute. It is extremely filthy. And you got classic new edge conversation. I don't know why the lights do that. It sucks so bad. It really makes me mad, because those are like, man, it's only my second pair of headlights I've had in this car, but I've about ordered more before, just because the seals were just like absolutely terrible. I guess that's pretty much all I'm gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I guess I'm gonna head back to the house now. So I guess I'll catch you guys next time.